Hey guys, Cesar Ramirez here. I want to show you a program that I've been using here for my tweets. There is a website called TweetDeck, and that's tweetdeck.com/beta. And you can either Google that, just TweetDeck, or just go to the website. And the beautiful thing about TweetDeck is it works on Apple, Windows, Linux, and I believe it's what they're using here is an application for you gurus out there, developers that know how to program. It's the Adobe suite here, so it's kind of like Flash-based applications. So that's why they make it cross-platform. So let's go ahead and click down. Download this program. It's free. Now, one thing I like about TweetDeck is that if you see here, it's a Facebook icon. You can actually send one tweet, and it will cover your Facebook and your Twitter tweets. So that's one of the major things that I love about it. So let's go ahead and download it. So you click on that, and I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to open mine. But when you click on it, you should get something like this. If you'd like to save it, just click open and run it, and go ahead and just follow the steps to install it. Now once you have it installed, you're going to open it up, and I already have mine open. The first thing you want to do is turn off the annoying sounds. You're going to find that you're going to get some annoying sounds. So let's click on this top right little ratchet there. This is your TweetDeck settings, and just as you see my screen here, go ahead and check off your boxes here. You're going to take off the play notification sound. Is just you don't get boggled every single time you get a new tweet from a friend or something. So you take that off and just make it look like here, like so. I left my color and fonts the same way, so you can change it up as you wish. On the Twitter API, I adjusted my settings here of how much I want to get bugged and stuff. So I changed mine to 5 minutes here for all friends. For the replies, in 1 minute, and let's see, the DMs here, I changed it to 3 minutes. So I left that how it is, and I left everything else how it is. So hit save. So the cool thing about this application is that when you can filter out a lot of things. These are all columns, so every time you get a new tweet, you're gonna see that all your friends send you new columns here. So I always leave this here. But let's say, for example, that you like a professional that's in my case, I really enjoy the real estate investing industry as well as the technology industry. So if I see a tweet here that I really enjoy, I put my mouse over it, and you see where it says other actions. You click on that and put your mouse over user, and you can add them to a group. So in my case, I created a group called professionals. So in professionals, you can just put them in there, and every professional that you see would show up in there. So to me, that's the best way to do it. There's other ways of adding users in there, but that's probably the best way. If you see something that of value that you've been following somebody for a while, you can just put your mouse over and add them that way. The other column is replies. So if somebody replies to you, you can actually see it here. As you can see, they have the @ sign with my name, my username, DJ Cesar, and they reply to some of my comments and tweets that I replied or response to. And direct messages. Sometimes when you add somebody, you're following somebody, they will follow you back and send you a message directly. And that's kind of cool. And these are also tweets that people have retweeted. So you see a little RT there, and they show up here. So what I did was I created a search tool. This is kind of cool. So let's go here at the top, and let's click on Twitter search. So you click on Twitter search, and in here I type in my username because I want to make sure that I just type in DJ Cesar, because not everybody puts on the @ sign. So if they don't put the @ sign on, you can just search DJ Cesar, and as you can see up here, it's going to be my name without the @ sign. So anything that has my name in it would show up. So you can filter that out. And in your case, you want to use your username without the @ sign, so that in case somebody forgot to put the @ sign, you can find them that way. And so let's cover tweeting. So when you're ready to tweet, I click on my Facebook status updates here, and go ahead and put your username and password right in here. This is just an application for Facebook, and keep me logged in at TweetDeck. And hit login. Okay, so now we're logged in. In the far left, you're gonna see a thing that says tweet. You see a little call out there, and so here we can write something pretty cool like currently showing via video. Currently showing a bunch of folks via video how to use TweetDeck like a champ. And you come over here and you can see that Twitter and Facebook are both checked off. If they're not, go ahead and check off Facebook, because I think by default Facebook isn't checked off. And if you have a link or something you want to shorten, I use budurl.com because I can track my stats. But if you just prefer to use a link that you don't really care about tracking, you can just throw it in here, a long URL of a website, and you can trim it by using any of these here. So you click shorten and it trims it. So once you're done, you just hit enter. In the far left you can see tweet sent, update sent, and all my friends I show up here, currently showing a bunch of folks via video how to use TweetDeck like a champ, as you can see there. And I really enjoyed this application. I mean, you can create columns galore as far as you go. Friend status on Facebook on the far right there, so you can see that they show up over there. That's when I clicked up here, so you can just turn that off if you don't use it. Actually, we will have to just exit out. On the top right you see X there, you can just remove that if you prefer not to see Facebook status. But I like to keep an eye on everything and just filter out certain columns that I'm going to look at if somebody tweets me back. And I hope this helps. I really enjoy TweetDeck. If somebody knows one that does more than just these two applications, just Twitter and Facebook, you know, it'd be nice if there was a multi-blog that covers Blogger, Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, and all the social media sites. I'm sure there's one out there. If not, somebody's already creating one, and do let me know. But for now, I really enjoy TweetDeck, and I hope this helps for your blogging needs. Talk to you guys soon.